while government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies. Digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, included as ETH. With decentralized finance turning into all the rage, calculations and science-upheld digital forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain world. Outline of Ethereum, a wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin. The Ethereum blockchain is a high-level task. It is generally well known among cryptographic money aficionados, chiefly because of its nodal position in the realm of digital currencies. The blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this biggest cryptographic money. The whole peculiarity and the key center is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges. The Ethereum convention empowers engineers to plan and work on brilliant agreements, naturally carrying out tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Ethereum 2.0, additionally called Tranquility. ETH 2.0 is the augmentation of the Ethereum system with added highlights to further develop usefulness in the Ethereum blockchain. It had a slow and steady stage-wise revealing with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and worthiness. As a forerunner to additional upgrade and effectiveness, Ethereum 2.0 presented a sharding method to diminish the exchange cost and speed up. Including sharding with the existing blend will expand its asset utilization execution amazingly. Furthermore, Ethereum 2.0 started web low-level computing construct in a framework UASM that would before long supplant EVM, Ethereum virtual machine, permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. Ethereum 2.0 and the consolidation is currently at last finished. Best of all, Ethereum is presently more eco-accommodating because of the union. The whole digital currency market experiences eccentric cost unpredictability, going with the venture choice and altcoins really testing. Be that as it may, according to our gauges and specialized examination, the crypto world will just see a flood in exchanging exercises and speculation altcoins. ETH digital money confronted colossal negative strain in the midst of a general market auction, and the cost fell beneath $2,500 by January 2022 and afterward. Due to the crypto market decline of May 2022, the cost of Ethereum has seen a precarious fall. Starting from the start of 2022, ETH has checked enormous unpredictability in its cost activity. Throughout recent weeks, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $2,000 and $850. Right now, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,212. For what reason is Ethereum going down? One of the fundamental motivations behind why Ethereum is going down is the series of forceful loan fee climbs by the central bank to battle expansion. Financial backers ceaselessly stress over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market, in this way searching for preferable choices over the Ethereum market to put away their cash. In the earlier year, Ethereum's cost brought financial backers gigantic returns before the beginning of the new year. Be that as it may, in 2022, there was a critical drop in the cost for every one of the resources. According to long-haul Ethereum cost expectations, ETH is a particularly incredible resource for speculation for merchants who can exploit these short and long-haul cost swings. Simultaneously, the ETH value estimate of exchanging monsters uncovers the coin will have just reached $2,055.85 by 2025 because of the negative cost history, while long estimate uncovers that ETH cost might be $2,455 by 2026 in light of their Ethereum cost conjecture. Ethereum value expectation 2022. Ethereum might have least normal and most extreme exchange costs of around $1,150, $1,400, and $1,650 for the excess long term. According to our Ethereum expectations, the Ethereum future after this negative stage looks encouraging in the crypto market. Most certainly, Ethereum will be worth by more than $1,500. ETH value expectation 2023. In light of the specialized examination and cost changes, Ethereum digital currency might exchange at a typical cost of $2,081 for 2023, while the base and greatest costs of ETH are expected to be $1,787 and $2,375. Ethereum value expectation 2024. Taking a gander at the Ethereum value expectation and specialized investigation, it tends to be guessed that the greatest worth of ETH might be around $2,987. Simultaneously, the previous exhibition additionally recommends that the base and normal qualities might be $2,442 and $2,715. Ethereum value forecast 2025. According to our Ethereum cost expectation for 2025, the base, normal, and greatest exchange values might be around $2,921, $3,255, and $3,589 in the crypto market. According to the Ethereum Cost Forecast 2025, we expect numerous organizations and reconciliations sooner rather than later of Ethereum organization. Ethereum Value Expectation 2026. Our Ethereum conjecture uncovers that the Ether's cost will exchange between $3,257 to $3,934, where the previous is the most reduced conceivable cost while the last option is the most noteworthy conceivable cost for 2026. While the typical cost for the year might be $3,596. ETH Coin Value Expectation 2027. In light of the Ethereum gauge, the coin might have a possible high and likely low of $4,475 and $3,851 separately. The typical Ethereum cost for the year 2027 is supposed to be around $4,163. Ethereum Crypto Value Expectation 2028. As per our expectations, for the year 2028, the base and greatest costs are supposed to be around $4,698 and $5,230 separately. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging cost of Ethereum might be around $4,964. Ethereum Coin Value Expectation 2029. Continuously 2029, Ethereum's cost will have seen an incredible ascent, expanding the market capitalization of the coin as well as its interest. In view of our Ethereum cost expectation, the coin's cost might reach as high as $6,241 in the year 2029. While it might exchange around a low of $5,313. The typical worth is supposed to be around $5,777. Ethereum Value Forecasts 2030. Our ETH cost forecasts 2030 showed the coin may be hustling to peak. The token might have a base cost of $6,795 in the long haul, while the Ethereum cost might record a huge high of $7,650 by 2030, according to our Ethereum cost expectation. The Ethereum future looks exceptionally encouraging in view of our examination. With Ethereum showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto specialists. We infer that the Ethereum projected development will unquestionably arrive at outrageous highs. According to our ETH cost forecast, on the off chance that you exchange Ethereum at the ongoing value, you might procure great returns. In any case, this doesn't comprise speculation counsel in any structure. Complete your own exploration to lessen the high gamble of losing cash quickly. Will Ethereum go up in 2022? Without a doubt, your interest in ETH makes certain to break all limits according to our Ethereum cost expectation. Be that as it may, do your own intensive exploration prior to putting away your cash. Take your exchanging choices and put away cash just in view of your speculation goals to decrease every one of the dangers. How high will Ethereum go? According to our Ethereum cost expectation, no other crypto can guarantee a fantasy with this idealism. Adding ETH to your crypto wallet can end up being a significant speculation. Gave you plan all your venture choices.